So you are busy with your website. Job well done. And then you realize that over time you have been building on the desktop only. So what about the mobile view? So you go and you click on the mobile view. Oh shucks, no navigation menu. What now? Okay, then I will show you what now. So you go back to your desktop view. You come all the way to the right and you click on this purple icon here, and it makes a clone. You go back there to that purple icon just next to it and you click there. You go to advanced and you see the visibility is only on the desktop. Okay, so what you do is you go back, you come to the clone, you click here, go to advanced, and you will see the desktop view is clicked. And what you do is you click on the desktop, click again on the mobile, and you press save. And now we're going to go check the mobile view. Yay! You've got mobile view. But now this part here is a little bit too much. Okay, so we're going to click here. And we click here. And we say, let's close this a little bit. Great stuff. We press save. And everything looks great. You clap yourself on the back and you say, job well done. So we're going to go here and we're going to go out and have a drink, have a whiskey, a beer, a hamburger and Coke, whatever. Just enjoy yourself.